got my bismuth in. Now I usually melt it and put it in ingots. Got my different metals there. Got a new mold in. I didn't heat it properly. So when I poured the excess bismuth in the ingots, I had just a little bit left. So I poured it in this cast iron dish. Didn't really think about it. It exploded. It went everywhere. I did peel it off my hands. I'm sorry I didn't leave it on there so you could see it, but it was hot. So, that's some, that's some, that's some. There's some over there. It's everywhere. It's all over here. So, yeah. Even for something as low temperature as bismuth, you have to heat the mold up some. I've been using this mold all day, and I just kind of grazed over it with the torch. Called it good enough because I didn't have a couple ounces left over to pour in there. I done barred up the whole package, right? That's the last of it right there. So, yeah, heat your molds, people. This is Man Mountain Link. I'm gonna go find some ointment.
Cartman, you are so goddamn stupid, it's unbelievable.
We need you to subscribe to the channel, or Cap Guy's gonna hunt you down. He'll do it. He'll do it too. You better subscribe. Better do it now.